So when we think about the Internet of Things, of course, we think about, on one hand, wearables, but for us, very importantly, we think about home. A lot of the products at Unilever are used in the bathroom, are used in the laundry room, are used in the kitchen, and all of these places, are going to be connected. So what does the connected home look like for all the brands that people use from the morning when they get up and they, take a shower or have a cup of tea, till the evening? Maybe if they had a good day, they have an ice cream before going back to brush their teeth and going to bed. That's really the opportunity for Unilever, is the connected home. The Internet of Things tends to be not very consumer or people-friendly. If you think about it, it doesn't mean a lot to people. It's a bit techy, and it doesn't mean anything until you start to really make it personal and user-friendly. So this idea that I can actually start to benefit from it, and that it changes my life, the way I start to see how connected devices, connected home is actually changing my life and making it better, giving me back time, giving me more convenience. The way it creates new services and solutions for people is where I think we have an opportunity as a consumer goods company, as a people-centric company, to not just use the Internet of Things, but also impact it and make it more approachable for people. What the Internet of Things is going to change is going to change by several orders of magnitude the amount of data that is actually going to be generated in people's lives. And so for a company that has traditionally built relationships through a very traditional model, as we start to have a connected life, we're going to be able to transform all of that data into a way to be much more useful to people. So to contextualize and personalize the way we bring to them our products, but also services and solutions that help make their life better, and therefore that help us really build a meaningful relationship with people at the scale of 1 billion. It's a great question, because actually when I think about myself, so just before we started, I gave away my phones, didn't put a watch or wearable this morning, so actually I am the thing that is not connected right now. So I still very much depend on devices. And I pretty much think that in 10 years' time, I will not be able to be disconnected. Somehow I will be connected, from birth to death, whether I like it or not. That may sound like, bad, but on the other hand, if you run into an accident or whatever, who wouldn't want to have some chip that actually immediately says, your blood type, your allergies, your history, and so on. So I really think that we're going to find an interesting way as we work with the Internet of Things to deal with that ambiguity between man and machine.